Hello and warm welcome to MedX, the latest from the world of medicine. A new drug, adagrasib, has been found to be effective against the KRAS G12C mutation in non-small cell lung carcinoma, or NSCLC, which was once considered undruggable. In patients previously treated for KRAS G12C NSCLC, adagrasib monotherapy demonstrated promising objective response and disease control rates, as well as overall survival. About 75% of the responders reported having a tumor reduction greater than 50%. The FDA recently approved baricitinib oral tablets for the treatment of severe alopecia areata, an autoimmune disease that causes patchy baldness. Baricitinib is a Janus kinase inhibitor that inhibits inflammatory pathways causing hair fall. In two recently published trials, administration of 2 mg or 4 mg of baricitinib helped achieve adequate scalp hair coverage in patients with at least 50% scalp hair loss, compared to those treated with placebo. According to a study published in the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology, the drug Mepolizumab reduced the need for maintenance of oral corticosteroids and systemic corticosteroid bursts among severe asthma patients. Researchers reported a 71% decrease in clinically significant exacerbations between the pre-treatment and one-year follow-up period post-Mepolizumab use. According to a recent study, an investigational drug GSK126 can potentially restore insulin-producing beta cells in type 1 diabetes patients by inhibiting pancreatic EZH2. GSK126 is a highly selective inhibitor of EZH2, which is an enzyme that blocks genes responsible for the development of insulin-producing beta cells. Inhibiting EZH2 with GSK126 restored hallmark genes that cause pancreatic progenitors to develop into insulin-producing beta cells. This in turn restored insulin production in ex vivo human pancreatic tissues from diabetic donors. These were the latest highlights from around the world of medicine. Tune in for more such fresh updates.